Once upon a time, there was a little puppy named Max. Max was fluffy and white with a black patch on one eye. He loved to play. One sunny day, Max found a bouncy red ball in his backyard. "Ball!" he barked happily. He pushed the ball with his nose, and it rolled away. Max chased it, tail wagging fast. The ball rolled into a bush. "Oh no!" Max thought. He peeked inside. There, he saw a tiny kitten with big green eyes. "Meow," said the kitten. She was stuck and scared. "Help!" Max barked softly. He gently pulled the kitten out with his teeth. "Thank you," purred the kitten. Her name was Lily. Max and Lily played with the red ball together. They rolled it back and forth. They became the best of friends. From that day on, Max and Lily played together every day. They were very happy, and that's the end of our story. Max and Lily lived happily ever after. See you again. Bye-bye.